Hey, it's your boy Gabe. I'm here to explain to you guys why birds are the moon's alien's drone for finding the moon alien. So let's recap. I'm the moon alien about every 1,000 years or so, right? Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter, The shortest time on record is 600 years, but the longest time is 40,000 years. You know, that good stuff, right? But in order he needs to find the new moon alien to just move on in life, right? Go to the heavens or whatever. So and he has a lot of things to do. Like he has to grow his mint. He has to grow his mint. He has to run his power plant so we have light at night. So he doesn't have time to just look on Earth to find new suitable people to be the moon alien. No. Instead, he built birds, right? But the birds that fly, to be specific. You see birds that are like grouse, emus, ostriches, and similar birds to that, penguins, the ones that don't fly. Those ones are real birds, right? Now the fake ones are like crows, eagles, seagulls. Ugh, all the gulls, right? So he has these birds fly around and they have cameras in their eyes and they look for different people, and every time they find one that would be suitable to become a moon alien, they send it back to the moon alien, and in his breaks he takes a look and he goes, "Oh, he looks like a good guy, right?" "Sorry, sir, we're here to arrest you." "Oh, why?" "Because you know too much and we can't have you live. Fat bet." So apologies for once you know too much, the government they tend to come after you. Now, let's move this out of the way. There we go. All right. Okay. Where was I at? Oh, right. So there's different birds meant for different environments, right? So like per se, the puffin is meant for the like aquamarine environment in the north, right? And the eagle is meant to spy on North America. Like the blue-footed booby is supposed to spy in the Galapagos, and any other bird you could think of just they spy in that general area where they live, right? And you so how many birds did y'all see in the quarantine? Yeah, that's what I thought. Zero, right? Because you were inside. But so every time they find a new moon alien, right? Right? They shut down to recharge using lunar energy that comes from the power plant on the moon, right? And so during the quarantine, they shut down to recharge. And when they find the new moon alien, is when they stop to recharge, right? And that's when the moon alien picked Zachary Risman, right? He is just tall, he is lengthy, and all that good stuff. So that's the reason why the moon alien chose him. So, continuing on that fact, when Risman moved to where I live, right, he like the bird stopped showing up, meaning that they must have chosen him, right? In conclusion, most birds aren't real. If you want any more information, check the PDF down below that my friend made right here. It's pretty cool. It's not all right, I can say, but it does have some fair points. Now, like this video of me, if you like my great pieces of content on my channel, and subscribe if you'd like to see more in the future. Now, for my favorite way to shave with Dollar Shave Club, like if you need to shave, check them out. They're not really my sponsor, by the way. I do not need sponsor. I make these with free school stuff, that good stuff. Anyway, bye.